I remember Janine.
She wrote an article with slug line reporting a verified vote count.
Verify. Verify.
Reporting a verified vote count. Maybe she made it up.
It doesn't matter if she made it up. The Democrats seem divided. The leadership looks incompetent.
Incompetent. Incompetent.
The leadership looks incompetent.
But compared to the budget and our Education Act, why, this was a minor bill, sir.
That happened to be in the national spotlight, which...
Spotlight. Spotlight.
That happened to be in the national spotlight, which Linda's involvement had no effect.
I wouldn't say that that's the case, sir.
Did you sense any pushback, any fallout from...
Fallout. Fallout.
Did you sense any pushback, any fallout from...
I shouldn't have gone. The meeting didn't even work.
I thought you said they were reconsidering.
Reconsider. Reconsider.
I thought you said they were reconsidering. I thought you said they were reconsidering.
No, I got an email this morning. They decided not to overturn the admissions decision.
Overturn. Overturn.
And they decided not to overturn the admissions decision.
But first, I must deal with treason within the ranks. The two renegades who voted against the bill. I have zero tolerance for betrayal, which they...
Betrayal. Betrayal.
I have zero tolerance for betrayal, which they...
Can he follow through with sobriety?
That's all. Thank you very much.
Do you want to comment?
Thanks, guys.
Congressman.
Congressman. Congressman.
Congressman.
All I said was what you always say, to vote their conscience.
You encourage them to defy me.
Defy. Defy.
You encourage them to defy me. I specifically told you I needed them to vote yes on this bill. There was no room for interpretation. It's a deliberate lie, so don't try to sugarcoat it, Claire.
Deliberate. Deliberate.
It's a deliberate lie, so don't try to sugarcoat it, Claire. You did this for Remy?
No, for myself, to get my shipment out of Sudan.
Shipment. Shipment.
No, for myself, to get my shipment out of Sudan. In exchange for not helping it succeed.
Which is the same goddamn thing. Do you realize you have endangered...
In danger. In danger.
Do you realize you have endangered... Do you realize you have endangered everything that we have been working toward? There was a timetable here, Claire.
Timetable. Timetable.
There was a timetable here, Claire.
I have turned down donations for us. I drafted Peter's bill for us. I diverted time and energy away from my goals for us.
Divert. Divert.
I diverted time and energy away from my goals for us. I apologize for not buzzing.
Buzz. Buzz.
I apologize for not buzzing. Is there a spider I can trap?
Spider. Spider.
Is there a spider I can trap? Maybe you're not that naive.
Naive. Naive.
Maybe you're not that naive.
Rebellion on all fronts.
Rebellion. Rebellion.
Rebellion on all fronts.
We need to catch the edge of his face. Let's recrop it, bring it in 1/4 of an inch on the left.
Inch. Inch.
Let's recrop it, bring it in 1/4 of an inch on the left.
You seem tense, Remy.
Tense. Tense.
You seem tense, Remy.
I haven't decided.
You have no luggage.
Luggage. Luggage.
You have no luggage.
There are advantages to centralizing in a major urban center, but the disadvantages are commercial real estate prices.
Disadvantage. Disadvantage.
But the disadvantages are commercial real estate prices.
So they'd have to reduce costs elsewhere.
Significantly.
Now, how can I help with that?
Statewide permitted use zoning.
Zoning. Zoning.
Statewide permitted use zoning. Statewide permitted use zoning. No more conditional zoning. Municipalities are slowing down development.
Municipality. Municipality.
Municipalities are slowing down development. Unpowerful friend enhancement.
My opponent's pro-drone.
Your opponent isn't asking for refineries in Philadelphia.
Refinery. Refinery.
Your opponent isn't asking for refineries in Philadelphia.
This is a cancer research event.
No, I helped organize it.
You work for the Institute?
The hotel.
Institute. Institute.
You work for the Institute?
The hotel.
I'm not trying to be rude, but I got a big
Then
day
don't be
tomorrow.
rude. Just stay a few more minutes and keep me from having to mingle.
Mingle. Mingle.
And keep me from having to mingle. And keep me from having to mingle. My date ditched me, so if you abandon me now, that would be very rude.
Rude. Rude.
So if you abandon me now, that would be very rude. Thought you might have bailed.
Bail. Bail.
Thought you might have bailed. Vodka or whiskey?
Vodka. Vodka.
Come on, you can be a good boy downstairs, not up here.
Seriously, I'm good.
Whiskey, I think.
Whiskey. Whiskey.
Whiskey, I think. I don't know what we're celebrating.
Why did your date ditch you?
Ditch. Ditch.
Why did your date ditch you? You slapped him.
Yeah, big red hand mark right across his face. I think he was embarrassed to be seen by the schmoozerati, so he left.
Embarrass. Embarrass.
I think he was embarrassed to be seen by the schmoozerati, so he left.
What's toast to you?
I'm your good news. Okay, toast to that.
Toast. Toast.
I'm your good news. Okay, toast to that.
But if it does go well, you'll be ready?
I'm ready. I've been ready. I'm ready.
Anything else?
We never played chess before, have we?
Chess. Chess.
Anything else?
We never played chess before, have we?
But I haven't seen you in like 6 months. Except for when I drunkenly stalked you at your...
Stalk. Stalk.
Except for when I drunkenly stalked you at your...
So, Congressman, the Watershed Act.
Yes, I'm ashamed of the... Well...
No, not ashamed. That's the right...
Ashamed. Ashamed.
Well...
No, not ashamed. That's the right...
Well...
No, not ashamed. That's the right... I'm disappointed.
Because, you know...
Disappoint. Disappoint.
I'm disappointed.
Because, you know...
I'm fucked. Okay, listen. We sober you up, we...
Sober. Sober.
Okay, listen. We sober you up, we...
Thank you.
No reason to thank me.
Ruben was just ecstatic. I don't know how I'm going to repay you.
No, the fact...
Repay. Repay.
I don't know how I'm going to repay you.
No, the fact...